Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, you're going to get your time and get your financial future in order. Today, I want to talk about ClickFunnels. But before we do that, I want you to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell, like and share my videos. And I thank you for supporting my channel. Today, we're going to talk about ClickFunnels. It's if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a sales funnels that you can convert your visitors into leads and into customers. That's basically, you can build your funnels, and but we want to kind of talk about that a little bit today. If you don't know anything about it, they got a free 14-day trial. So if maybe you're on the fence about it between these and some other ones, they got a 14-day trial. I highly recommend it. You at least give it a try if you're even on the fence about it. But as you can see on the screen, like it says you can create beautiful sales funnels. They've come a long ways with different designs inside there. So you can at least give it a try. And if you're new to what is a funnel, basically a funnel, you build a funnel and you want to have a landing page. Doesn't matter what the product is; it could be anything. Whether you're selling on e-commerce kind of type of business, where you're selling shirts or purses or anything, it doesn't matter. You always want to have a landing page so you can collect their emails. Then you take the emails and then you can turn them in. Then you transfer them over. Once you collect the emails, then you can send them to a sales page with whatever product it is. It could be a website. It could be your website where you're selling, dog stuff or purses, or maybe you got your own brand where you're selling, your own shirts and stuff. It could be anything. But the main thing is you want to let them go to a landing page, because that's where you collect their email, their information, to where you can send them something else, whether they buy anything now or you can send them something later. Like maybe you can send them something, hey, we're having a sale. Here's a coupon. You can, that way you can kind of stay in contact with them, and and kind of remind them that, hey, you're still here. If you're interested in buying something. But once you get the landing page, the sales funnels, then you kind of want to do like a thank you page, a thank you thing saying, hey, thanks for for buying my stuff, or looking at my website. And depends on what kind of stuff you're selling. You may need a way to have a credit card, so they can like maybe buy your t-shirts or whatever product. You can do that here. You can have all that set up, and maybe you're promoting one product, but then you gotta say it's $20, but maybe you got something that's a little bit better for $22. You can classify that as an upsell, one-click upsell, or then they can do all that. You can do that here on ClickFunnels. It's you should definitely, 14 days free trial. They're going to give you your tools and strategies you need in one convenient spot. Drag and drop. Simple drag and drop web page editor, quick building sales funnels that convert. They got templates in there. They got the emails and Facebook marketing automation, everything organized real nice and neat on the dashboard. But you can generate leads. That's like going back to your collecting emails. You definitely want to be able to do that, so you can, whether they buy anything now, but a lot of times they don't buy anything on the first one, but they may buy something on the next email, or you may send them a coupon saying, hey, I got a coupon, we're having a big sale this week, we'd like, come and join us. There's a lot of options. Once you get their email, then you got options to sell them whatever or promote anything. You can sell your product with beautiful pages that pre-design, or you can design them. It's whatever you want to do. They got them. They can help you. And they can also do the, like I said before, the one-click ad upsell. Like I said, maybe you got something for $10 and you got something a little bit more, maybe that one and another something else to go along with it, maybe for $20 or something. It's just whatever you're doing. Everybody's different. Everybody's needs are a little bit different, but they can accommodate them. That flows. You got the email, then you can do the SMS. You can do it's you can do a lot. You just gotta figure out what works best for you and your customers, and kind of set it up. You need to know more about ClickFunnels, that you can we do for you. You can do all that. ClickFunnels, the editors. I mean, it's a really good product. A lot of people use them. I use them, and a few others. But I think you won't go wrong, especially if you're new. You know, it's pretty easy, pretty simple, to build something. So I highly recommend it, especially you got a 14-day free trial. And if you have any questions, you can always ask them, or they got videos in there under help. All you got to do is type in what you're trying to do, like maybe build a thank you page or something like that. They walk you through the video. So don't don't think it's just they're gonna throw you out to the wolves. But I mean their help's pretty good. So just remember it's a 14-day trial. So if you get in there and you don't really like it, you can always get out, just cancel it. And if you do decide to keep it, it's $97 a month. So just take a look at it and tell me what you think. Like I use it, and like thousands of others. And of course I use other things too. Depends on what I'm doing. But take a look, and remember, don't forget, this is RiddlesBendMedia. I'm Jamie Williams. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, like and share. I do appreciate you supporting my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.